Hey guys, welcome back. So I had posted this this project in my previous video, and it was the advent calendar using the Frank Garcia paper collection. Again, I still haven't finished. I still have to add the numbers, but I got a lot of requests on a tutorial. I did follow a tutorial making 24 boxes, so I made mine 12, and I just wanted to show you real quick how to do it. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm just going to basically show you how to make the little boxes and then the base, and then you make all the boxes that you want. So basically you could do it as tall, as thick as you want. Okay. All right. So hopefully this is going to record fine. For the little boxes, which are these right here, it's so easy, and I'm terrible at boxes. And this works, which I'm loving. Like, love it. Okay. So you're obviously going to need 2 pieces of paper, cardstock. One is the box. The other one's the lid. For the box, you're going to need a cardstock that measures 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. And for the lid, a 6 by 6. Okay. So this is... Okay, so I already cut everything just to save time. So the box is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. Okay, and I'll put all the measurements in the description bar anyway. But to get started, what you need to do is, it's just gonna be a lot of folding. So you take your cardstock and you fold it in half. Okay, and crease. You open it, and then the same fold, you just want to do in the opposite. So turn it, and now we're doing it this way. Same thing. In half. And crease. So now you have a fold in the middle. So now what you want to do is take this piece right here, this corner, and put it to this corner. So we're going to fold, and everything is going to join into the middle. And crease. See? And we're going to do that to all 4 sides. And it doesn't have to be perfect, trust me. It still works. Okay, turn. Join in the middle. And fold. Kind of almost looks like an envelope already, right? Take this one, same thing. Fold in the middle. And crease. Okay, so you got that. Now what you want to do is fold this whole half into the point right there in the the point right there in the middle. So we're gonna fold it towards the middle, and this part here, just do it however you're comfortable, and then just crease. Okay, so that's all we did, was fold it in the middle. Then take this piece and do the same thing. Fold it towards the middle. Okay, and then crease. And everything that we do, we're going to do it again, but the opposite. So you see, now you open it, and then we're folding this piece in the middle. Because we already did this side, so now we're turning it and doing it that side. Okay, see? And then take this piece and fold in the middle. And crease. So everything's been folded. Now when you open it, you have all your creases. You're going to take your scissors, and you're just going to cut to the first score line. Okay. And remember, whatever you do on this side, you have to do it in the opposite. So you turn it and do the same thing. First score line and first score line. Now what you do is you take this piece that you cut, push it down, and then these little flaps, you want to put it towards right there. Just hold it. That's how I kind of do it. Just hold it there. And then we're going to glue this piece, and we're going to wrap it all around inside the box. You see? So take that piece, And God, it's so cold up here that my glue is frozen. Oh, great. Let me get another glue. Okay, so. All right, hold on. Okay. So we're going to glue the little edge here. And then you're going to just wrap it around your box. Then what I like to do is just crease that section right there. Okay, so this is the piece that we cut. Pull it out. You see that score mark right there? Fold these flaps in. Because remember, we're going to use this piece to wrap it around. I hope it makes sense. But I'm going to do the lid anyway, and it's the same thing. See? Take it. I hope I've been in frame. Like, I'm trying to do this, and I'm trying to watch my phone. Okay, so remember, we're wrapping it around. And just crease it. And there is your little box. Okay, so let's do it again because now we're going to do the lid. Put that there. The lid is 6 by 6. So fold it in half. Remember, it's just basically a lot of folding. And whatever you do to that section, you turn it around and you do it all over again. You fold it there. Okay, so we got a score here and a score there. Now we're joining all the points to the middle. It's the same thing. Whatever you did to the first one, you're doing it here. It's just that the paper is a little bit bigger. Okay, joining all those edges, all those points to the middle. You turn and score. Burnish. Okay, now once it's there, we're just folding this to this corner and this to this corner. So fold in the middle. You see, when I fold in the middle, I like to put it towards me and then crease. Okay, we're doing the same thing, just folding that in the middle and crease. And remember, whatever we did, we do it all over again. Open it. And now we're going to fold this piece in the middle. Turn it towards you so it's easier. Turn it. Fold in the middle. Now we're going to cut. So we're going to cut to the first score line, cut to the first score line, turn it, do the same thing in the opposite side. Cut. Oh my God, I don't know if I was in frame all this time. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to do this video all over again. Pull this piece out and start preparing your box. Okay, and we're going to glue this little point. Because remember, we're going to wrap it all, put it on the wrapping the box. And then, so we're pulling it out, pushing these in. Glue here because we're wrapping it on the box. Again, on the table. And you want to fold it over, wrapping the box. Crease that. That's why you want really nice score marks. And then, see that? And let me say something. If I can do this, you guys can do it. Because I suck at boxes. Once your box is made, the way I figured out my base was I took a 12 by 12 by 7.5, and I scored it at 4 3/4 and 7 1/4. So then what I do is once you got that, you take your boxes and you start gluing them. And then gluing them. So let's pretend I have a whole bunch. And then gluing. And then gluing. And whatever you glue here, you glue there. Same thing. Box, box, box. And then 3 more boxes on the side. So then when you close it, you have that right there. This video is probably a hot mess, but I hope it makes sense. And then once you make all your boxes, you decorate. So, goodness, I hope this made sense because I know it was all over the place. So let me know if you have any questions and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.